In this video, I'm going to show you how do I transfer money from Sweatcoin to Cash App, but first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So to begin, once you launch the Sweatcoin app, you'll notice a shop icon located at the lower left corner of your screen. Upon clicking, you'll gain access to a range of rewards, both digital and physical, regardless of your current balance. Despite we can find items like Amazon and related gift cards, a notable absence is the direct option to transfer this fund into Cash App. This raises the question, can we find a workaround to purchase items from the shop that might permit the movement of our Sweatcoin earnings into the Cash App? Unfortunately, as of the present moment, the lack of a substantial gift card option makes it exceptionally challenging to withdraw funds from Sweatcoin and place them into Cash App. While it's true that purchasing gift cards such as Amazon and then reselling them online is a potential avenue, it's important to note that this process isn't straightforward. The intention behind sharing this information is to dispel any misconception and ensure that individuals are well informed about the absence of this transfer option. Currently, the funds accumulated through Sweatcoin can exclusively be utilized for rewards within the shop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.